There are so many times when we feel that so many doors of my success are closed. It happens. And we regret that, yes, this is something I cannot do. I would have done that. So many doors are closed. And if we focus on these doors, then we are helpless. Our life is miserable, right? We can't do anything. But at the same time, when so many doors are closed, a few doors of grand success are actually open. Universe wants you to focus on those open doors because they are the doors that will take you to the grand success, the real success, the success you always wanted to have in your life. So yes, there are so many doors closed. Don't focus on them, accept them. Thanks the universe that these doors are closed. And yes, I am not going there because these doors are closed. So the doors which are open, focus on them and put your 100% focus there, and you are going to rock. And you know what? Once you are going to rock, unlimited doors will open for you. So whatever is open, whatever door is open right now, focus on that and keep rocking.